Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Blue Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blue Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your wallet already, you will see the Add Now button, which you can tap on in order to log in to your existing account. Or you may also use the plus icon. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your wallet. Now, if you wish to change the language for the application, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you will now see the language option. Go ahead and tap on it and now you will see the list of various different languages that are available for the application. Go ahead and tap on whichever language you prefer to use. And once you tap on your preferred language, you can go back and you will notice that the language for your application has been changed to the one that you just selected right away. If you wish to change this back again in the future, you can once again tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then go into the languages menu in order to choose your desired language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Blue Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.